I was looking for a way to add payment possibilities to a website without using a web shop, because I was working on a website for a customer. And it's this website. It's the Dogs Fit and Fun training website. And this is the homepage that we created in Buildarius during the live stream. Well, the first live stream went very well and the design looked very good. And it did everything section by section. When I asked it to create the whole page, I was a little bit disappointed because it didn't really get all the essences of the fun homepage, which were still missing on this page. But when creating this page, at the bottom, I wanted to have an option that people can make a payment for tests and lessons for €79.50. And I came across an option that was looking like this. And it was very easy to create and have the option to create a payment, add names, and that sort of things. I was using Payment Form for that. And Payment Form was kind enough to sponsor this video as well. So that's very awesome. Thank you so much. Within Payment Forms, you have the option to create a form. You can just simply click one of the presets that are already available. We went with the physical product because we want to give the people the option to buy a lesson or 10 lessons at the current time. What you can do is remove the images and then upload your own image that you would like to have. I don't have a quick one right now, so let's just add one and then remove the ones that we don't need. Say here, fun training. And as you can see, you can put in description, measurements. If you have any variants, you can put them in as well for the options that are available. And at the bottom, you can change the pricing. So our pricing was $79.50 and the discount price is none. It's a little bit unfortunate, but you have to say how much you have in stock and the SKU. For this, it's fine. We can keep it as is. Then we go to currency. You can type in any currency you want. We have the euros. Then you have the tax rules. Let's save that real quick. If you don't have a tax rule right now, you can go to create tax rule and you can say what the title is, where it's based, and the country, and what the tax amount is. And I added a Dutch tax for 21%. You also need to add payment gateways, and they have a nice step-by-step guide on how to do that. Let's continue with the product. When you've added the currency and text, you can add shipping fees. It won't be necessary in this case, and then you can have a good coupon code. I think it's a very good practice not to only give new people, but also people that are renewing. So let's add a coupon code renewal. It's a percentage. You get 10% off if you're renewing, and can be used unlimited. And even coupons are in there if you want to add them. Next will be fields. I don't need all of this, so let's remove these two. It's not needed. We also do not need a phone. What we do need is the name of the dog. So we can make an adjustment, dog name, and adjust the fields that are available. As you can see, it's quite easy to use. Name of the dog. There we go. Email address, so you can message them, and a message if they want to say, I heard from you, blah, blah, blah. They can add it in there. Then we go to settings. You can make changes to the top part so it is more recognizable. Let's add in my thumbnail for now. It's not the best, but it's something, right? Dogs fit and fun, so they recognize you on the page. Lessons we offer. You can even customize the theme, the color, the fonts. You can select the payment gateways if you have them available. You can change the success messages, terms and conditions. You can send custom emails, and here you have some of the email notifications that can be sent. Invoices, tracking manager, tracking for analytics, password protection, and you can see if this form is enabled or not. So we go to publish, and here you can share a link. I grabbed this one, put it inside of a link of the button, and then we can land on a page like this. As you can see, in just a few minutes, a nice working and simple solution for fun training in this case, or fun change, I have to say. So if you're interested in payment form, is very easy way to set up a form for any kinds of business without needing a web shop. If you're interested, there will be a link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, and this video was sponsored by them. It was very nice of them to sponsor this video because I needed something similar to payment for fully fund trading, and this was a way to check it out. Now, do know the first 1,000 people that are signing up get a 12-month free trial. So if you want to check it out, it's 65% claimed already, so you have to hurry up. So would it be something that you would like to consider? Let me know in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching and keep designing.